Okay, we are from 14 Club. We want show our PPT and the title Review on Listening Comprehension Structure and Written Expression and Reading Comprehension. Table of Contents. A. Objective of the study. 1. To master listening comprehension. To master structure and writing expression. 3. To master reading comprehension. To master the reading comprehension in TOEFL test. B. Material description. This is the last meeting which the students are asked to review all the materials. Listening structure and written expression and reading. This is very essential for every student to fully master the three items in TOEFL test as follows. Listening comprehension. This section tests your ability to comprehend spoken English. This is divided into three parts, each with its own direction. You are not permitted to turn the page during the reading of the direction or take notes at any time. Part A, direction. Each item in this part consists of a brief conversation involving two speakers. Following each conversation, a third voice will ask a question. You will hear the conversation and question only once, and they will not be written out when you have heard each conversation and question. Read the four answers, choose and select the one A, B, C, or D that best answer the question based on what is directly stated or on what can be inferred. Then fill in space on your answer. Sit and match the letter of the answer that you have selected. Here is an example. You will hear woman. How soon will you be leaving? Man, I'm on my I'm on my way now. Narrator, what does the man mean? You will read A, he is leaving now. B, he is to go out of this way. C, he will not be leaving soon. D, he will do this his own way. 1. A. She broke the window herself. B. She repaired the broke window. C. She was able to get the window open. D. She hurt herself on the broken glass. 2. A. The golf tournament made it famous. B. It's grown a lot lately. C. It can be found without a map. D. Very few people there play golf. 3A. Where she got her information. B. How the copy was made. C. Who painted the picture. D. Why the copy was made. 4. Uh, 4. A. Groceries. B. Used car. C. Gasoline. D. Medicine. She read it again and again. She covered it up. B. Covered it up. C. She read every page of it. D. She prepared its cover off. 6. 6A. He can no longer play. He's played every day for years. C. He's playing his improved. D. He played quite well. 7A. He needs to get more camping equipment. B. He is experienced camper. C. He is taking too much equipment. D. He should go camping for such a long time. 8A. Try to get selected mayor. B. Attend a class. C. Interview the mayor. D. Apply for a job. 9. A. She was mistaken about Professor Le Guin. B. She just returned from San Francisco. C. She doesn't know about the professor looks like. D. She is an admirer of Professor Le Guin. 10. A. He is speaking a language they don't know. B. He doesn't have a microphone. C. He is speaking much too quickly. D. He is speaking a defective microphone. Uh, A. Near the elevator. B. He doesn't know where it is. C. It's on another floor. D. The rectory doesn't let it. 12. A. She is heard it only a few times. B. She doesn't get to listen to it every often. C. She won't like it, but she's heard enough. D. She enjoy it very much. 13. It's no wonder that the had to work. B. It was busy because of the weather. C. She was very busy at work. D. She show made her letter to work. 14. A. He doesn't have a money left either. B. The club is looking for new members. C. He can lend and the woman some money. D. Is does chose much to join the club. 15. A. He doesn't enjoy receptionist. B. She uses his computer a lot. C. His computer isn't working. D. He will definitely attend. 60A. Only the person in the group is older than he. B. His group is almost the oldest. C. He's the youngest person in the group. D is appraised only the second paragraph. 17A. Pancake or not this favorite dish. B. His pancakes don't taste very good. C. He never makes enough pancake. D. He can cook many dishes. 18A. She thinks Professor Brian is on fire. B. She doesn't know Professor Brian. C. She agrees with the man. D. She doesn't understand the man's remark. 19A. In a few days. B. Before they eat. C. During lunch. D. When lunch is over. 28. The woman will enjoy the mountain scenery. B. The weather has been hot this month. C. The weather in the mountains is unusual. D. The woman probably doesn't like cool weather. 21. A. It has exceptionally very good service. B. It has excellent food. C. The service there is disappointing. D. Everything there is great. 22. A. If his name found familiar. B. If he's spoken to him on the phone. C. If he's a musician. D. If she like his name. 23. A. He took other science courses were the harder. B. It's a required class for a student. C. He studied geology before. D. It was the only science course open to him. 24. A. He's never been to the zoo. B. He's seen only one bear. C. He's never seen a bear in the wild. D. There weren't any bears at the zoo. 20, 25A. When she will answer the question. B. Where she drove. C. What kind of car she has. D. Why they ask so many questions. 26A. He thinks it will be better than the old one. B. His excuse for it to be completed. C. He's worried that it is not enough. D. He feels that I shouldn't have been built. 26A. He thinks it will be better than the old one. B. His action for it is be complete. C. He is worried that is not enough. D. He feels that it shouldn't have been built. 27A. Where he's studying. B. What subject he's studying. C. How long he's been around. D. When he's returning. 28A. Charlotte wouldn't be attending graduate school. B. Charlotte had gotten a scholarship. C. Graduate school won't start until September. D. Scholarship were easy to get. 29A. He paid it today for the first time. B. He pays it on the last day of the month. He pays it after it's due. D. He's planning to pay it tomorrow. 30A. The debt involved only a few issues. B. Many people change their plans. C. A lot of people attend. D. The debate lasted longer than expected. Next, the reading by Riyadi.
2. Structure and written expression English 146 time until until 25 minutes. This section has your ability to recognize grammar and mistake suitable for standard written English. This section is divided into two parts, each with its own direction, structure direction. These questions are incomplete sentence, unit, if sentence serial, or phrases. Make E, B, C, D goes to one word or phrases that best complete sentence. Example 1, President, the elections by landslide. He won, B, he won, C, yesterday, he fortunately, the sentence outright. The president won the elections by landslide. Therefore, the short first answer E. Example 2. When the conference E. The doctor attended. B. Did the doctor attend? C. The doctor will attend. E. The doctor's attendance. The sentence told it. When did the doctor attend the conference? Therefore, you should answer E. As soon as you understand the directions, began work on the part 1. Ellen Swallow Ricards became the first woman to enter graduate from and at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. He did the teacher. C. Who taught the D. To teach English 147 147. Number 2, American landscape. Six, Kitts West Hideo Sasaki. E, most famous one of. B, one of the most famous. C, of the one most famous. D, one most famous of. Number three, most you sleep need at an early age and you know yes are. Exceptions: E. Not. B. No. C. None. D. Never. Number 4. Vancouver, British Columbia. Has a nggak kelihatan lagi. Temperature climate for a city situation. Fahrenheit. E. S. B. So. C. Very. D. By. D. By. Number 5. The cells of a distant ship are visible before the body of the ship. E. The curve of the Earth's leg. B. The Earth that it curves like C. Because the curve of the Earth. D. Because of the curve of the Earth. Next, 5. Reading comprehension. Kok hilang?
Kok hilang?
Reading comprehension. Time 55 minutes. These sections of the test measures your ability to comprehend written materials directions. The section contains several passages, each followed by number of questions. Get the passage and for questions, choose the one with answer E, B, C, D, E. Based on the that is said in the passage of one that can be inferred from the passage. Then fill in the space on your answer that matches the letter of the answer that you have selected. With the following passage, like mammals, birds, kangaroo, all territories. The bird's territory may be small or like some birds and one the nest and the area red one is satu. It's the others claim from Fahrenheit territories that include here they are feeding bass, whales, goose, penguins, and other waterfowl. As in hook, waterfowl nest in hook colonies, but even in the biggest colonies, Mitchell and his mate have small territories of their own immediately on their net. Melbourne defend the territory chiefly gain of other most of the species. In some cases, warning call of threatening may be all the defense needed, but in other cases, intruders may push to live peacefully. And the next, to date, Canada has produced only one classic children so, to rank with the rest. to rank with the Alice Adventures in Wonderland and the works of Mark Twain. This was Lucky Mount, Montgomery and of Green. Huh? Gabriel Lucky Montgomery was born in Clinton, France, Edward Island. Her mother, the soon after her birth, after her but when her father went to Edward Island, her mother went to Saskatchewan just to assume a business position. She moved in with her grandparents in 7 days, France, Edward Island. There, she went to school and later qualified to be a teacher English at Madua Montgomery Ward and books while living in 7 days and was published in 1908. And in the next years, she wrote two sequels like Montgomery. The heroine of the book is taken by an elderly couple who live in the fictional town of Alphalia, and Montgomery incorporated my events from her life in 7 days into the books. In 1911, Montgomery married Evan McDonald, and the couple moved soon to Ontario, where he wrote many other books. Over, over, it was her first effort that got her prominent, and in the book are told around apa? Bentar, bentar kita